If you want to get a dynamic island on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then all you have to do is go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that provides us this dynamic island. So we're gonna search for this kind of app, and we can, for example, use the dynamic, we can write dynamic island in order to find this kind of apps. And in my case, I'm gonna use dynamic spot. And let's install this app. Feel free to try any other app, of course. If you don't like this one, then other apps work in a pretty similar way that you can find by writing dynamic island. However, in this video, I'm going to focus on this one. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to customize it a little bit. So let's press open once you install it. Let's wait a couple of seconds and then let's press next. First, we need to select apps that can be used with the dynamic island that will be synchronized with it. So if you go over here, you should be able to find the list of all apps that you have on your smartphone, and you can manually enable selected apps, or you can just simply tap all over here in the top right corner. After that, we have notification access, so just tap over here, wait for the next screen, and tap on dynamic spot and press allow. Then go to draw on screen, so select it and press allow, and then tap again and go next. Now let's wait. You will be redirected to accessibility, go to installed apps, and then choose dynamic spot and turn it on and press allow. And now we can press done. Once you see this pro offer, we can just close it by pressing X in the top right corner. Now over here we can go to position in order to change the size and position of the dynamic island. We can also see how it looks like. So in this case, I want to make it a little bit wider actually. Let's say something like this. Maybe a little bit bigger too. That's maybe too big. Let's say something like this. And of course I need to adjust the vertical position as well so that it is actually in the center of the camera, the front camera. So maybe something like this, let's say. All right, I think it looks good enough. And after that we can start using our phone, and you should see dynamic island popping up if these apps that you have selected will receive a notification. So if you want to still customize it, then you can go to notifications and then go to apps, and over here we can still customize it.